Are you looking for the best cool TV stands reviews in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 cool TV stands review that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, DEVAISE Console TV Stand. This TV console stand is a great addition to any room in your home. It is simple and modern in design and can easily fit with any style of furniture and decor. The stand is adjustable in size and has multiple combinations that make it perfect for use as a television table, hallway table, sofa table, entertainment center, media stand, storage bookshelf console, etc. It features 3 shelves for storage and display, providing plenty of space for your setup box, router, DVD player, CDs, TV component, and other decorations. The stand is made of eco-friendly board and is easy to clean. It has a total weight capacity of 55 pounds and comes with a 1-year warranty. At number 2, Atlantic Centipede Game TV Stand. The Mainstays TV stand is a great way to organize and display your gaming consoles and accessories. The steel rod construction is sturdy and the adjustable feet help keep it level, even on uneven surfaces. It's easy to assemble and can accommodate up to a 37-inch flat-panel TV. The lower shelves are great for housing your gaming consoles, controllers, games, and headphones. Overall, the Mainstays TV stand is a great value for the price. It's well made and does a great job of displaying and organizing your gaming equipment. At number 3, DMAITH TV Stand. The TV stand is a great addition to any contemporary home. It is sleek, stylish, and has a high glossy color that adds dynamic vibrancy to a clean line design. The TV stand also has a large storage capacity, with 3 drawers that can store magazines, toys, medicines, and other items. The upper and lower surfaces of the TV stand are perfect for placing decorations or DVDs, and the LED lights add a touch of color to your living room. The TV stand is made of superior particle board material with meticulous treatment, and is a pretty combination of premium material and uncanny workmanship. With its high strength and good quality, the TV stand is a great choice for any modern home. At number 4, Gaming TV Stand. Bestier Gaming TV Stand features adjustable LED system, up to 20 color modes for you to select. Immerse yourself with amazing lighting effect in binge watching, exciting lives, horrible movies, etc. This television stands with storage offers 2-tier shelving areas, easily keeping your DVD, soundbar, Xbox, Switch, game console, stereo. When lights on, more enjoyable game experience starts. Better choice for man cave and kids joy corner. Made of qualified P2 class particle board, metal mesh shelf and matte corner brace, our gaming entertainment center fits for small spaces. Combined industrial elegance with rigid steel, simple TV stand brings you a delicate charm of the past and modern fashion. Entertainment stand for gaming is of great stability and durability, weight capacity up to 100 pounds. Wall mounting kit included aims to offer great protection for kids. Corner braces for better industrial distinction. Back cord hole also helps you organize wires and cables. Clear instruction full parts with labels 1-year warranty 100% satisfying after-sale services. At number 5, Walker Edison TV Stands. If you're looking for a TV stand that does it all, look no further than the Ultra Furniture Carson 48-inch TV stand with fireplace. This sleek and stylish stand not only holds your TV, but also includes an electric fireplace that will heat up to 400 square feet. And the best part is that no electrician is required, the fireplace is a simple plug-in unit. The Ultra Furniture Carson 48-inch TV stand with fireplace also features cable management features to run cords in the back of the stand, and the fireplace display and heat can be turned on individually. So whether you're looking to cozy up with a fire or just want a stylish place to put your TV, the Ultra Furniture Carson 48-inch TV stand with fireplace is the perfect choice. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.